Hey guys, Luke here. Today's a special day. I've got the collector's edition of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. I was a huge fan of Breath of the Wild, and in my opinion that was probably one of the best games ever made on the Nintendo Switch. So I'm really keen to unbox the collector's edition, see what we get inside, and have a look at all the goodies that are in the box here. So this is a pretty sizable package. It feels like it's about 2 kilos, so it's quite heavy. Now on the back here, it tells us that we get the game, we get an art book, we get a steel book, and we get a pin set and also a poster. Now you can actually see on the front here, the box actually looks really cool. Like this actually stands out, it looks awesome. But let's open it up and see what we get. So, and we will pop that open. And it looks nice and neat. I'll hold this up so you can see it. So you've got a couple of layers there in the front. All right, so first one here looks really cool. It's got here, this is the steel poster. So you can see that's what it looks like on the front there. All very nicely packaged. So you can see this is the steel. This is a picture of Breath of the Wild. No, not Breath of the Wild, Tears of the Kingdom. Okay, we do have adhesion. Oh yeah, okay, so this is like a heavy magnet to hold it to whatever you decide to put it on. And inside, this looks really cool. So this is it here, guys. You can see we've got Link here up in the clouds, which you've probably seen this as a wallpaper and in other places as well, but it looks really cool. And then, yeah, you've got the magnet there, and you can obviously stick that like on the fridge or in another spot. So that looks awesome, really well packaged. And I think that's, yeah, so that's it in the first box. And then in the second one, ooh, this looks cool. Okay, so this is the art book, which you can see there. And this is really quite thick. It looks awesome. Okay, so I'll pop that down for 1 sec. I just want to see what else we've got. Okay, in the box, we also have, what is this? Okay, this is the Tears of the Kingdom. I don't really know what this is. Okay, cool. So this is the pin set, guys. So you can see that there. I'm gonna guess that this is tied pretty closely to the game. A little bit like Breath of the Wild, where you had the 4 different, different main characters where you had to ride the divine beast. I'm assuming this is a similar kind of thing. These look really good, like they're extremely well made. You can see, I'll hold one up nice and close to the camera. They look really cool. They've got inscriptions on the back, and they are metal. They look awesome. Okay, so I'll pop those aside. They're really cool. I'm glad they included those. All right, now in here we have, this is the steel book. So you can see that there, that's the steel book. And, okay, cool. So this actually can house the game itself. So there's a little slot there for the actual cartridge, just here. And this looks awesome. Like they've done a really good job of that. Okay, you can see it's fairly thin, about the size of a normal Nintendo Switch game. And then in the other side, we have the game itself. So there we go, that's the brand new Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. There's a lot that you can do in this one. I haven't watched a lot of the previews because I didn't really want to spoil it, but one thing I did see was the ability for you to craft your own vehicles, and that looks really cool. Like you have, I can't remember what it was called, but you have like a magic hand essentially, and you can craft different objects together and turn those into vehicles and weapons and stuff like that. So that looks really cool. Now, on the inside of the game itself, you can see there's no actual instructions or anything like that. And then we have the actual game there down the bottom. So that looks cool. So that's pretty much it for that. Let's have a look at the actual art book. All right, guys, so you can see that's the front of the art book there. And it just says the images in this art book were created for development purposes and may differ from the final product. Oh, this is cool. All right, so you can see basically, guys, what we've got here is, you know, different outfits on Link. We have different characters, different backpacks, the way they've been designed. We've got Zelda there. She's got a mask on. Actually, sorry, that's Link. It's hard to tell from upside down. We've got different areas in the game, animals and birds. Yeah, this is really cool. I think if you're a Zelda fan, you'll really appreciate this because you can see the level of detail that goes into designing all the weapons and environments and stuff like that. This one here, you might not be able to see it, but there's actually a figure down the bottom here, which I'm assuming is Link. Okay, so yeah, lots and lots of detail here, guys. It's really cool to kind of see how the game is developed and created. So I'll leave it there for the art book, but this is extremely high quality and it's very thick. You can see there's lots of pages in that. So there we go, guys. We've got the art book, we've got the game, we've got the steel book if you wanted to put the cartridge in there. We've got the pin set, and we also have the steel poster, all included in the collector's edition. I think it is really, really cool. If you are a Zelda fan, you will obviously be thrilled to get this. I can't wait to jump in and start playing the game. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. That's Zelda Tears of the Kingdom, the collector's edition. I hope you enjoyed the short video, and I hope you enjoy playing the brand new Legend of Zelda. Okay, see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.